So guys, we have only 2 minutes for acrobatic elements, so it's possible, and I show you right now. So I want to do this exercise, yes, and also right now I will show you which exercise you need to do for this element. So first of all, you need straight one by one your legs. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and fix this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and try to through your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and try to fix this position without your hands. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's change position. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Straight your knees and also hold leg without your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's really difficult. And so try to do our element. Up and up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Try this element and also write your feedback in comments. Do you like this or not? So see you